Do you have dark roots like this which you're looking to lift? Well, today we're going to show you how you can do that. We're using Brilliant Blonde X, our bleach with Bond Protect, and we are mixing it with 20-volt developer. We go ahead and we apply the Brilliant Blonde X mix on the roots and the regrowth area. Rinse when nicely lifted. Then we go ahead and apply our toner, Intense Pearl Blonde, which is a lifting toner with purple pigments. And as you can see, the results are amazing. Totally white, totally blonde, and no dark root left at all. Remember, when using this technique in your salon, it's the details that count. You must use enough bleach to really lift the hair. You've got to check the hair and make sure it gets to level 10 before you rinse. And then when toning, once again, really saturate the hair so all those purple and blue pigments have a chance to act.